Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever wanted to download a photo from Instagram but weren't sure how, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to save your favorite Instagram photos to your phone. Let's dive right in. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Now find the photo that you want to download. You can either scroll down and search it on the search bar. Next, tap onto the photo that you want to download. Here you can find the share button. Simply tap on it. Here you can see the option of copy link. Select it. Now the link has been copied. Next, go to Google and type Instagram photo downloader and search for it. Here you can see the second option, Snap Insta. Tap on it. Now tap on to paste button. Again paste and tap on to download. Wait for a few seconds. Close the ads that come. Now again download photo. Close the ads. Now click on to download and click on to open with. Click on to the photo and here you can see the share option. Now tap on to save image. Only by doing this, your photo will be downloaded on your gallery. And that's how you download photos from Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.